Here we go.
Hi, this is Tim Evans with TX Coffee News TV. Today we're going to figure out how to find the best orthodontist in Southlake, Texas. And I have Dr. Monte Collins with Johnson and Collins Orthodontics. How are you today?
Great, Tim. Thanks for having me on. Appreciate it.
So tell me, how does one find the best orthodontist in Southlake?
Well, I mean, I think anywhere you are, the best place to go first, just with the national associations. The American Association of Orthodontists will let you know who the trained orthodontic specialists are. And the next level of search is probably the American Board of Orthodontists. You know, look for board-certified orthodontists. I think once you've crossed those two boxes, then you can ask your dentist or your dental hygienist, and the thing you ask them is if your teeth were really jacked up or messed up, or your child's teeth had really severe problems, who would you go see to correct that problem? That kind of gets you past the social referrals and golf partner referrals and things like that, because everybody, their loved ones, they want the very best care, and that's what you want for yourself or your family, and so I think that kind of gets you to that level. And I think the third point is to ask your friends that you trust. If they have a beautiful smile, or you know their children have had orthodontic treatment and they have a beautiful smile, ask them how their experience was. And you know, that's the kind of advice and recommendations that most people will trust the most.
Oh, that's excellent advice. So, so now once you've got a few recommendations, then what does the best orthodontist look like? What should they expect when they go to the office?
Well, I think that for most orthodontists, orthodontic exams and consultations are complimentary. So it's okay to go get an opinion or two opinions and kind of find out what's the atmosphere like in the office. Is it a friendly place? Is it a caring place? Is it a place you feel comfortable in, and where you could see yourself spending some time over the next year and a half? And just kind of get a gut feeling for that. The next thing you check for is maybe the level of technology. Orthodontics isn't the same as it was when you or I had braces as a child. It's changed a lot in the last decade. Nowadays we have 3D X-rays that allow us to diagnose problems that we never even saw before. We have fewer tooth extractions. There's better brace systems. There's customized brace systems. The name of that one is called Insignia. You can look that up online. There's obviously Invisalign treatment. That's been advertised a lot over the years, but it's still a good potential treatment for some people. There are actually devices that people can use to help their teeth move faster by affecting the way the biology of their bones and their jaws work with the teeth and the tooth movement. So it's a lot better process than it used to be 10 years ago.
Wow, it sounds like it. Tell me, I know you do some great things for your patients. What would that look like for our online viewers?
Well, when our patients come in to see us, the first thing that we do is we take a three-dimensional X-ray, like I was just mentioning. It's called an ICAT, and it allows us to see things we were never able to see before. It also allows us to do a volumetric measurement of the airway. Once we're able to look at all the information, then because we have 3 doctors in our practice, everything's triple reviewed. My partner, Grant Johnson, for 15 years, and my new partner, Chad Katz, for the last 3 years, we work together and we review every treatment plan and every record for every patient so that we don't leave any stone unturned. We want to find out what's going to be the best treatment for you or your child.
Great, Dr. Collins. So tell me then, if somebody wanted to take advantage of your free consultation, what's the best way they can reach you?
Well, they can call us at our office at 817-488-8870. And the thing that they should be looking for when they show up is they want to see that we're passionate about orthodontics. We want to be passionate about excellence and care. It's something that you're going to have for the rest of your life. It's not as simple as just lining up the front teeth. You want to make sure that those teeth are in the best position in your face and your bite's right and things like that. So we're going to do everything we can to give you the utmost care and great precision in your orthodontic treatment.
Well, Dr. Collins, thank you so much for helping us figure out how to find the best orthodontist in Southlake, Texas. I appreciate your time.
Oh, thank you, Tim. Thanks for having me.